we go, climbing on up. I should have worn long sleeves because I knew it was going to be overgrown. I do have a sweater in my backpack, but it's still kind of warm right now. Alright, good luck. It's overgrown. You're gonna get whipped. Hopefully not too bad. Alright, Kevin's having fun on that mid-drive. He finally has a mid-drive and finally has some suspensions. Here we go. Alright, come on BBSHD. Yep. Oh, so rugged. Alright, we're just gonna throttle our way out of here. Yikes. Whew. So my fenders rubbing? I feel like my fenders are rubbing a little bit. Alright, we're gonna take pretty much the normal way, going downhill on the single track. Let's see what the conditions look like today. Since it's just us guys, we're gonna challenge ourselves a little bit by going down the right way. Alright, you're gonna get whipped. Be ready to get whipped. It's not too bad, it looks. There's actually a path versus, again, 2 weeks ago. Oh my god, I need my long sleeves. Yeah, they cleared it. It's not bad. Here we go, single track time. Let's ride. Oh, mamma mia. Yeah, Kevin. He's finally off your seat. Whew. What a ride. My legs are burning. Oh, skinny trails. Oh my good lord. Almost flew out of that track. Yeah. Oh, sorry. It's good. Someone did maintain it versus the last time. These guys are riding much faster than I am. Fearless. You gotta catch up. That was like the fifth face whip. I wonder how Kevin's doing. He doesn't have a full face mask or a full face helmet, unlike me and Martin. Huh? Right. Yeah. Yeah, this was like takes us back to town. I guess things don't look the same when, there's so much plants here. Alright, I'm gonna take these guys to Rattlesnake area. I don't think Martin's been there yet. Kevin's been there once. Yeah, so it's the windy Rattlesnake first, and then the escalator, and then the freeway. Just be ready for that climb. So windy. I don't like this bike. I don't like the feeling today. Feels weird today. Come on, speaking of Rattlesnake, Martin and Kevin accidentally ran one over earlier. They were way ahead of me, so I didn't really get it on video. But it still survived, but it was just rattling its tail. Here it is. Whew. Up this. Oh, almost. It's steep. Oh my gosh, I'm in the ditch. Are they good? Do they want to run that one back? Nice. You weren't throttling, you should have just throttled. Forgot to throttle. Oh shit, yeah.
Is it all downhill?
Yes, so this is the escalator.
Okay.
You've been here, you'll recognize it as soon as you're over there.
Okay.
So this is called the escalator part, and then it becomes the freeway on the right. All right. Phew. Let's get our jumps on. Get our jump sessions. All right, here we are at the freeway. Let's roll. Nice, Kevin. Whew. Yes, sir. Time to jump. Kevin, for the first time in his mid-drive. Kevin needs his timing right. Whew. Let's see if he's jumping too soon or too late, so I can critique him. No, I think he's jumping just about right. He just needs more height now. Oh, that was too soon for Kevin. Oh, Martin's gone. Woo! Oh, good recovery, Kevin. Oh, he was out in the, I think he was too soon. If I had to critique him, yeah, too soon. Yeah, way too soon. So everything looks different, right?
Yeah.
Kinda.
Okay, the last jump, get whipped, and then boom.
Yeah. Kevin, I was critiquing you.
He does jumps, huh?
Yeah, but you're jumping too soon. That's your issue. You want to jump when the ramp is right here and you're mid. Right now you're jumping when, like, right here. All right, Kevin. The road is clear. The road is yours.
Pump right there. There you go.
Too soon, right? Because you see his wheel is lifting, and then it's even landing on the top. You know what I mean? That means he's already jumping.
I'll take pump a little more later. I'll put a plant. So
Technically, he could be pumping all already, but it's the part where he extends.
Yeah.
That's the pop.
There you go.
That's a little too soon.
It's a front suspension only.
No, it has nothing to do with suspensions. It's just technique and timing. All right, they want me to try it on Kevin's bike. Previously was Eddie's bike. Oh, you're tall. Something beeped twice.
That's
Okay.
Kevin. Try to do that one on that, and you're gonna feel like,
Because you could see his wheel going up and down before it even reaches the middle.
You got this, Kevin.
Yeah,
Go.
that's much better. Yeah.
I think it's a bike, dude.
It's the bike.
All right, try that, but on your bike.
Well, let's go all the way up so we could get all the 9 jumps.
How's that feel?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. That works.
You got it.
All right, that's good.
Not the bike. Okay.
It's just timing, I'm telling you. All right, we're running it back. All right, second time. Here's a jump here. Here's another jump. And let's send this mother. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. That was fun. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. All right, third and probably last time. Here we go. Woo. Oh my gosh. All right. There's Martin. Yeah. Good job, Kevin. Yeah, Kevin. Nice. Nice, Kevin. Yep. A little crooked, but got some air. Yeah. Whew. Here we go. Fourth time. Around the freeway. Whew. Crouch, pump, and lift off. Nice. Yeah, Kevin's got it. I think he's ready for Sky Park. Whew. See you guys. Shortcut. Yeah. That was nice. Kevin's got it for the most part. Yeah.
Got it on video?
I think so. You were trying to do tail whip, huh?
Yeah,
I see you trying putting it on the side.
I did, but then I gotta put it back. I land.
Not necessarily.
No?
Like people land sideways on tail whips. It straightens them out actually.
Oh.
All right, heading back down. Just kind of did like a sunset look at the Turnbull Canyon area. And now we're gonna fly back down. Get the left, see that left extra credit? It's a drop. Yeah. Yep. Officially calling this the Peacock House. At least these two. They always have a bunch of peacocks.
Who's gonna go first?
Not me. I'm sweeping.
First? Go.
Alrighty. Thank you for tuning in on today's e-bike excursion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your Super 73, on your aerial rider, or your DIY Bafang kit. Stay safe and amazing out there. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. These guys are wild. These guys are wilding out, bombing downhill. I don't even see Kevin anymore.